Hello my dear friends. In this video I'm going to talk about a phrase when it comes to. Okay, this video may not be good, but when it comes to meaning and usage of this phrase, you might find it useful. Let's understand the same with more examples. Example number 1. He is a chatterbox, but he can't speak a word when it comes to speaking on stage. He speaks a lot, okay? But when we talk about speaking at stage, he cannot speak a single word. You can guess the meaning of when it comes to. Means when we talk about this aspect of life, when we talk about this particular thing, okay, when it comes to English vocabulary, I am not that good. Okay, when talking about English vocabulary, I am not that good. Means here we are making a comparison. I am good at grammar, but I am not that good when it comes to English vocabulary. Means there is a comparison. There is a contrast in the sentence. In the first sentence, he is a chatterbox, but he cannot speak a word when it comes to speaking on a stage. Here, there is a contrast. The word but has been used. Okay. In the second sentence, there is no but there is a contrast. Hidden contrast is over there. Okay. Rekha is not good at studies, but she is brilliant when it comes to singing. We are comparing her studies and her singing. Okay, she is not good at studies, but her singing is brilliant. Okay, so here when it comes to means, when we talk about this particular aspect of her life. Okay, so far in this video I have talked about the meaning and uses in the sentence. When it comes to grammar, when it comes to is followed by a verb ing or a noun or noun phrase. Okay, when it comes to का हिंदी क्या होगा? जब इसकी बात आती है, मतलब when it comes to speaking on stage, जब stage पर बोलने की बात आती है. When it comes to English vocabulary, जब English vocabulary की बात आती है, या when it comes to singing, जब गाने की बात आती है. तो इस तरीके से हम एक कंट्रास्ट करते हैं, दिखाते हैं. And when it comes to your comments on this video, they are very important for me. And if you find the video of any help, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.